Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make dashi for miso soup. Dashi is truly the heart of authentic Japanese cuisine, providing that essential savory depth to countless dishes, especially miso soup. It's a surprisingly simple broth to prepare, requiring just 2 key ingredients and a little patience. Mastering this fundamental step will elevate your homemade miso soup to a whole new level, delivering a rich, umami-packed experience that is both comforting and delicious. Let's get started. To create this foundational broth, you'll need just a few specific items. First, gather 10 grams of high-quality kombu, which is dried kelp, for its deep umami flavor. Next, you'll need 20 grams of katsuobushi, or dried bonito flakes, which add a smoky, savory dimension. Finally, ensure you have 1 liter of filtered water. Using filtered water is crucial for a clean, pure dashi that truly lets the natural flavors shine through. These simple ingredients are all it takes. The preparation is straightforward. Begin by gently wiping your kombu with a damp cloth. Avoid washing off the white powder, as this is where much of the umami resides. Place the kombu in 1 liter of filtered water and let it soak for at least 30 minutes or even overnight for a deeper flavor. Slowly heat this water over medium-low heat until just before it boils, then remove the kombu. Finally, add the 20 grams of katsuobushi and simmer for exactly 30 seconds. Once the katsuobushi has simmered for 30 seconds, it's time to finish your dashi. Immediately strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove all the solids. Do not press the solids, as this can make the dashi cloudy and bitter. Your beautiful, clear dashi is now ready to be used as the perfect base for your homemade miso soup. If you have any leftover, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your authentic creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.